Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy on UNISWAP with Trust Wallet on iPhone. First, let's go into Trust Wallet. After you have downloaded the app, you're going to go into it and you're going to tap on Discover right at the bottom of the screen here. Then you're going to simply scroll down until you see UNISWAP Exchange. Here it is. You're going to tap on that. And by doing that, you will automatically be logged into Safari. And in the top right hand corner, right where you see Connect Wallet, you're going to tap on that. Then you're going to tap on Wallet Connect. And your Trust Wallet account will automatically be connected to the Uniswap app. And that's it. So now when you purchase Ethereum in Trust Wallet, you will see it in Uniswap. And you can also add tokens right here where you see select a token and be able to swap the Ethereum for the selected wallet, for the selected token. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to buy crypto on Uniswap using Trust Wallet on your iPhone. Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy